I am Rakesh Biswas. Presently, I am pursuing BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management from EIILM-Kolkata. Today, we are making chicken switch roll.
For making chicken Swiss roll, we have the following ingredients. We have lettuce for the salad. We have colorful vegetables for the salad, and then we have flattened chicken breast, which we have already flattened and kept it, and we have cheese, we have some parsley for the stuffing, and we have the salt, pepper and all the vegetables for garnish. So we are going to start. We are going to make the chicken Swiss roll, and then we are going to bind with the egg, flour and breadcrumb. So we are going to start, okay? So first we are going to make the salad. This is going to be a hot as well as a cold mixture salad, where we are going to give the lettuce, the fresh lettuce, but we are going to fry a little bit of things. ঠিক করে দাও I'm going to crumble some lettuce. Some fresh greens. Now you put this. The salad is almost ready. Now we are going to start with something different. We are going to flatten this. You are going to do this, and I have made it little bit flattened, but little more should be done. So you can just do this so that it becomes more flattened, and I'll make the stuffing ready. Here we have the stuffing. I'm going to put the stuffing like this. And with the cellophane paper, we are going to make it round like this. Okay. We have refrigerated this, and now we are going to do the coating. We'll put egg yolk, we'll put some flour, now we are going to put this in the oven. Now we are going to cut this. This is a protein rich dish, so we have a lot of greens in it.
Our dish is ready.
Do try at home and let us know how you liked it.